5 kitchen hacks that you need to know. Tired of your brown sugar getting clumpy? As you can see in there, the big clumps of brown sugar. Go ahead and add a piece of bread. Dump it in your bag. Close it up. The moisture from the bread will dissipate into the sugar, allowing it to be soft and malleable once again. Trying to figure out if your eggs are still good? Go ahead and get a pail of water. Put your eggs into the water. If they sink to the bottom, they're still good to use. If they float to the top, toss them away. As you can see, all 4 of those are good to go. Are you still crying when you cut onions? Follow this tip for no more tears. Grab a rag or a towel and run under some cold water. I like to go ahead and put mine in the freezer for about 5 minutes or so. After those 5 minutes, grab your rag or your towel and go ahead and put it next to your onion. When you go to cut the onions, all the moisture is going to go onto the rag and into this moisture here instead of your eyeballs. It doesn't alleviate the tears 100%, but I'd give it about an 8.5 out of 10, and it makes a hell of a difference. Tip number 4, quit using your toaster. Fire up that air fryer for crunchy bagels, breads, leftover pizza, anything frozen you can dump in the air fryer and it gets a much better crisp than putting it into the toaster. All right, the air fryer is heated up. Let's go ahead and open up that guy. Dump that piece of toast in there or bagel or whatever you're trying to make nice and crispy and pop it in. All right, piece of toast should be done. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that crisp on both sides. Skip the toaster. Put it in the air fryer. How do you tell if a jalapeno is hot without playing jalapeno roulette? Let's head outside to the garden and take a peek. Alrighty, outside at the jalapeno plant and how to tell if they're hot or not. So let's go ahead and take this one for example. So it's nice and green compared to this guy right here that's green and has all these white striations in the skin going up and down. This one means that's a super hot jalapeno. If it doesn't have those green striations in the skin anywhere around, it's not hot yet. That's how you tell if a jalapeno is hot or not without playing roulette.